Here is how to convert an Excel file into a PDF for free.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video.
It keeps your formatting locked in when you are sharing or submitting it. So let's do it. Go to this website link below. Click Excel to PDF. Upload your spreadsheet. Now wait while it converts. After that, download your PDF. Voila, done. In the next video, we'll talk about locking a PDF with a password.